Hi dear students, then today we can come back to the turnover ratios, the next turnover ratio, that is trade payable turnover ratio. So we can take one example. From the following, calculate trade payable turnover ratio. Trade payable turnover ratio, another name is creditors turnover ratio. So what are the information given? See, net credit purchase is given 7 lakhs. Creditors at the end is given 1,60,000. Creditors at the beginning is given 1,20,000. What we have to calculate? Trade payable turnover ratio. So equation first we have to write. Trade payable turnover ratio is equal to net credit purchase divided by average trade payables. In the question, net credit purchase is given. What is not given? Average trade payable is not given. So we have to calculate first average trade payable. So we know average trade payable equation, we know opening creditors and bills payable plus closing creditors and bills payable divided by 2. We know trade payable means 2 items is included, creditors and bills payable. Both is given in the question, both we can take. One only given in the question, one we can take. Okay. So in this question, creditors is given, closing creditors and opening creditors. So only one item only. So we can take opening creditors 1,20,000 plus closing creditors 1,60,000 divided by 2. We will get 1,40,000. Now we can calculate the equation. Trade payable turnover ratio is equal to credit purchase. It is given in the question. No need to calculate. 7 lakhs divided by average trade payable. We calculate 1,40,000. So 7 lakh divided by 1,40,000, we will get the answer 5. So we will represent in times, 5 times, because all turnover ratio we are representing in times. Now one more example we can take. Calculate working capital turnover ratio. Okay, here what we have to calculate? Working capital turnover ratio from the following information. What is given? Current asset is given 9 lakhs. Current liability is given 3 lakhs. Net revenue from operation given 30 lakhs. Okay, what are given? Current asset, current liability, net revenue from operation. What we have to calculate? Working capital turnover ratio. So we know what is the equation of working capital turnover ratio. Working capital turnover ratio is equal to net revenue from operation divided by working capital. Some questions we can calculate. Normally we are calculating working capital turnover ratio with the net revenue from operation. Some questions net revenue from operation is not available. You can use net cost or revenue from operation. Okay. So normally revenue from operation is available. We have to use revenue from operation. Revenue from operation is not available in the question. You can use cost or revenue from operation. So first we can, net revenue from operation is given in the question. Question it is given. See, net revenue from operation is 30 lakhs is given. What is not given? Working capital is not given. So we have to calculate the working capital. We know working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. In the question given, current asset is 9 lakh, current liability given 3 lakhs. So working capital we will get 6 lakhs. Now we can calculate the equation. Working capital turnover ratio is equal to net revenue from operation divided by working capital. Net revenue from operation given in the question 30 lakhs and working capital we calculated now, that is 6 lakhs. So 30 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs, we will get the answer 5. Okay, we will represent in times because all turnover ratio we are representing in times. So working capital turnover ratio is 5 times in this question. Okay, so these are the major turnover ratios. So so many varieties of questions will be available. First clearly practice these questions, then you can clearly do other type of questions too. Okay, thank you so much.